Let's look at 4 simple strategies to make division easy and fun. Square sharing.
Oh, square sharing. That sounds fun. How does it work?
Great question. But first, can you tell me your favorite fruit and your favorite animal?
I like strawberries and cats.
Perfect. So today, all of our questions will be about how the cats share strawberries with each other. Let's start with this one. 8 divided by 2. Do you know what that means?
Well, does that mean we have 8 strawberries to share between 2 cats? We need to find out how many strawberries each cat gets.
Exactly, Greenie.
But now I need to draw 2 cats and the strawberries. That sounds a bit hard. I'm not sure how to do that.
Oh, don't worry. Let's make it simple. I'll draw 2 squares for our 2 cats. Just imagine each square is a cat. For the strawberries, let's use little dot. So now we're going to give the strawberries to each cat. And here's the little trick for this step. 1 at a time.
Can you show me?
All right. So, this is how we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All done. Now, let's look at each square. It will tell you how many strawberries each cat has.
Oh, so 4.
That's right. Each cat gets 4 strawberries, which means the answer is 4.
This is so cool. Can we do another one?
Absolutely. This time, let's try 12 divided by 3. So, we have 12 strawberries to share between 3 cats. Ready?
Ready! So first, we draw 3 squares for our 3 cats, right?
Yep, you got it.
Then, we'll share the strawberries, 1 at a time, until we run out.
Great idea. Greenie, can you show me how you do it?
Okay. 1 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All done.
Nice job. Now, what's next?
We just count how many dots are in one square.
Perfect. So, how many dots are there?
4 in each square. That means the answer is 4.
Awesome work. 1 more to go. It's 5. Same as you. Next up. Divide by circling. All right, let's start with 8 divided by 4. So, the first number is 8. That means we'll make 8 dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so we have 8 dots. What's next?
Now, we look at the second number, which is 4. That means we're going to circle groups of 4 dots.
Got it. I'll help circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle.
Perfect. Now, we count the circles. How many circles do we have?
1, 2. 2 circles.
That's right. So, 8 divided by 4 equals 2.
Wow, that was easy. So, we just make dots, circle groups, and then count the circles?
You got it. Want to try another one together?
Yes, please.
Let's try 12 divided by 3 this time. So, what's our first step?
Make dots. The first number is 12, so I'll make 12 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. What's next?
Circle groups. The second number is 3, so I'll circle groups of 3.
Nice. And what do we do after that?
Count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4.
Awesome work. Okay, let's do one more. 20 divided by 4. It's 5. Did you get it right? Now, divide by skip counting. Let's say we have 10 divided by 2. First, we look at the second number. It's 2. So, we skip count by 2.
Okay. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
Oh, sorry. Greenie. I forgot to tell you. The first number tells us where to stop.
That's okay. So, we skip count by 2 until we get to 10. Right?
Exactly.
Alright, here goes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Done!
Great. Now, let's count how many numbers there are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers.
So, 10 divided by 2 equals 5.
Oh, I get it. We skip count by the second number, stop at the first number, then count the numbers.
You got it. Want to try another one together?
Yes, please?
Let's do 6 divided by 2. What's the first step?
Skip count by the second number. So, I'll skip count by 2.
Perfect. And where do we stop?
We stop at the first number. So, it's 6.
Go for it. Greenie.
2, 4, 6.
Nice. And what do we do after that?
Count the numbers. 1, 2, 3. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3.
Awesome work. Okay, let's see if you can solve this. 100 divided by 10. It's 10. Did you get it too? All right, last way to divide. Use times tables. Let's see how this works with 8 divided by 2.
Okay. So 8 divided by 2. What do I do first?
First, we look at the second number, which is 2. That means we'll use the 2 times table.
Oh, so the second number tells us which times table to use. Cool. What do we do next?
Yep. Now, look at the first number, which is 8. We just think. 2 times what equals 8?
Oh, I know this. 2 times 4 is 8.
Exactly. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4.
Whoa, that wasn't so bad. Can I try another?
Of course. Let's try 15 divided by 5. Which times table are we in now?
The 5 times table, since the second number is 5.
Good. Now, what do we do next?
We think. 5 times what equals 15? Oh, 5 times 3 is 15. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3.
Great job. Now try this. 45 divided by 5. It's 9. Did you get it? Awesome work today. Now you know 4 ways to solve division. Pick your favorite and keep practicing. See you next time.